Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your reading log. The first thing that you have to do is you're going to click this link here, and then you'll see my reading log. You're going to click here, and then this reading log is going to come up. Okay, but before you do anything, what you have to do is you're going to click here where it said file, make a copy, and then where it said name, you're going to leave it the same, copy of my reading log. And here is where you're going to save it. Okay, you're going to click here and go all the way to the back until you see my drive. Okay, click here, where's my drive, and then you're going to create a reading log folder. You're going to click here, and then you're going to name that folder reading log. Okay, and then click this check, and then click on select right here. Then okay, and then this is your reading log that you copy. Okay, what you have to do is you're going to put your name here, the date that you're going to read, the time spent reading on this day, the title of the book that you're reading, and the reflection. You're going to time your reflection here. Also, make sure that you're going to click here where it says share and put C Mercado. So you have to share with me and also with Miss Wolfer. J Wolfer. It's going to come up right away. Click here, and then you're going to click right here where it says send. Okay, guys?